Okay, this diagram show IR spectrum for alkene. Yeah, this is alkene. Methyl, methyl butane. Yeah, methyl 2 butane. So dalam methyl 2 butane ni, kalau kamu lukis balik dia punya uh, what we call it, ya, formula yang kamu keluarkan semua hidrogen ni, tulis dia punya bond ni, you can see there is CC bond, CH bond only dalam alkene, ya. Sebab dia tak ada function group, dia tak ada double bond. Okay, only that. So inilah peak yang represent the vibration and the rotation of this molecule. Okay. Okay, now we look at the region of IR spectrum. So kalau kita tengok IR spectrum tu sebenarnya ada dua region. Yang belah kiri above 1000 it is called diagnostic region. Dekat sini dia tulis 1500 tapi yalah boleh lah 1500. Sometimes 400 pun ada lagi informative peak ya. So diagnostic peak can give diagnostic region can give us information from the peak. Okay, very informative lah. Tapi kalau fingerprint region ni dia bawah 1500 or 1000, this region is harder to interpret ya, sebab dia punya peak kecil je, pendek-pendek je. This one lah yang atas ni sebenarnya adalah fingerprint region ya. Kat sini pun dah start dah fingerprint region, tapi still ada lagi informative peak. And it is much complicated compared to diagnostic peak, diagnostic region, but it is unique to molecule. Some molecule can have additional information from the fingerprint peak, ya, and it can be matched to molecule lah, ya. Dia boleh bantu kita untuk identify similar types of molecule, ya. Now we look at the operation of IR instrument. So normally before we run the analysis, we need to do these two processes. Yeah? The first one is purging with dry nitrogen. So why we need to purge with dry nitrogen? To remove atmospheric carbon dioxide and water, which may cause significant absorption peak in the IR spectrum. Yeah? Because sometimes instrument tu kita buka tutup, atmospheric air akan masuk. So we need to purge with dry nitrogen. Sebab nitrogen dia tak absorb IR kan. So that's why we use nitrogen macam kita sembuhkan untuk keluarkan other than nitrogen. Kalau nitrogen ada dalam tu tak kisah je, boleh je sebab dia tak akan interfere with our absorption of the sample. The second one, we need to run background spectrum. Yeah. Before we run a sample, before we scan the sample, we need to scan background. Why? The reason why we need to scan the background is to substrate absorption due to the water, carbon dioxide, and anything that has in air. So we get actual spectrum lah, because instrument can substrate terus absorption due to the air ataupun background ni, we get our actual spectrum. Okay. Okay, this is example of background spectrum. Kalau kita run background spectrum, ya, we have ambient water, ada dua peak dekat 3600 dengan 1600 ni due to the water, ya. Satu stretching, satu bending, and also two peak for carbon dioxide around 2300 and 900 ni, 600 sorry. This is for CO2 stretching, this is CO2 bending, ya. Nah, memang kalau runs background mesti peak kamu macam ni. Kalau tak dapat macam ni means that instrument tu dah tak okay. Okay. Now we look at the sample